Hey, what's up, y'all? Back here with another POV vid. Oh, no one's looking. So this is a car again from POV. And whatchamacallit, let me get back in the car real quick. So I put the head mount on. Today's gonna be a slight little POV. I don't know, I was trying to go to this place in the city. No, I mean, not in the city. Sorry, in my city. It's a little city. Yeah, I put my camera down real quick because I gotta put my phone on my head mount. Alright, perfect. I was trying to go to this place so I could take some pictures of the car, like at least some videos. Because it looks decently nice outside. Like, decently nice right now. Not like, like, yeah, it looks decently nice. So yeah, let me put this camera head mount on, and then I can go take off. I'm letting my car defrost a little bit, because if y'all seen the last videos, the defrost, for some reason my car keeps on like you know what I'm saying, humidity keeps on, I don't know what it is. I wish I could tell y'all, but yeah, I don't know why my backup camera's on. So man, yeah, hey, appreciate y'all for tuning in recently. If y'all can, leave a like, comment, and if you was not subscribed, please subscribe. Whoa, shit. Dude, I did not know that those people come that quickly right there. I was trying to check on my right side, and that's fine. But anyways, yeah. Anyways, though, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and go get not know why all those cars just stopped there, but okay. Alright, so like that's the thing that I'm not trying to get I'm not trying to get pulled over or anything for that, for the not for the radar, my bad, for like, you know, anything done to the car, because of other reasons why I can't. But yeah, I don't know, man, I don't know what to talk about. The past couple videos, I mean, they've been doing, like the video I just recently uploaded today, it did, and it's like, it's cool, I guess. The video before that, yeah, it did pretty decent. The video before that, it just flunked. Yeah, and if y'all can, I do have a TikTok too. The TikTok is slow 330i, I believe. KA band means there is a police officer somewhere around here. Where exactly? I don't know. It's one of these cars, maybe. Maybe he's behind me. I do not see no police officer. Maybe there's a police officer. See, this is why I don't like doing POVs on this side of town. Because of the amount of cops that are around this area. I don't know why there's so much cops in this area, but there is. Yeah, man, but I was finna go get crumble and then go to the gym after I take these little pictures of my car. Speaking on the gym, is there any of y'all who go to the gym? If there is any of y'all who go to the gym, leave a comment down below. I would just like to see who. Going to the gym obviously is a good thing for your body. I advise everybody to, even if you're not like some athlete. being honest, I think it's this way. So this is this place I'm going to here. It's like a little city shopping center, but it looks like morally nice. I'm finna go take pictures there, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Yeah, no, then I'm gonna go get crumble, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, yeah. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all guys, though, a lot for the video support. And I really want to get some, probably a car meet content in next. If I could pop out to a car meet when I'm free. Yeah. Usually these POVs for like ripping it wise, I low-key better to do it like late at night, like after I'm off work and stuff. Cause like then there really be like no one out on the streets, no like nobody, you know what I'm saying? No red and blue out on the streets or nothing, so. But yeah, man. This light does take, I swear this light is taking forever though. Oh my gosh. This kid asked me to rev it. What do you guys? You want me to rev it? Is that what? Is that what? You want me to rev it? I honestly did not know what they were saying. I'm finna go up here, see if I can get some videos. I really hope I can go up here. I think I can. Alright, yeah, man, this was a very short POV. That little stuttering noise, I'm be honest, don't ask me, I don't know what it is. I wish I could tell you what it is. I wish I could tell myself what it was. But not even I know. But yeah, man, I really appreciate y'all guys tuning in for this video. Holy fuck. Should just smack my ass. Yeah, I appreciate y'all guys a lot for tuning into this video, man. The support. has been crazy. This car sounds fucking insane for a 4-cylinder. Sounds insane. And you can hear my fans too. They don't sound healthy, but you know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all guys so much for tuning in, man. I'm gonna take these videos or pictures or whatever. Yeah, man. Whatchamacallit? Whoa. I do want to end up turning off my car because this shit is low-key too loud. Way too loud. Yeah, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Thank you for the support once again. See you guys back with another POV. Deuces.